All right, there's the sweet potato dehydrated treats, and then there's the fish ones. And my dogs go absolutely crazy for them. They can already smell the fish, and they're gonna get one now. But they're just going nuts. You want a treat? Okay, so sit. There's yours. There's yours. And then they'll be coming back for one of the fish ones. And these things stink to high heaven. I keep them in the freezer, but they love them. So here's one. And then here's another one. So, Odin, you want a fish? Okay, sit. No, no. Oh, he took a piece off. He doesn't sit very nice. There's Freya's. And that's how much they love these things. So they're a hit, and I'll continue to keep making them. The only thing that's nasty when I'm dehydrating the fish is the smell. The whole apartment smells like fish. But it's good for the dogs, and they love them. I guess I'll give them some more. So, oh, he's already sitting there. All right, there you go. They're a hit.